Hi, we're the HBP Group and we help manufacturers implement MRP systems and manufacturing software solutions that drive efficiency and maximise profitability. Now, if you're the kind of manufacturer who also sells online, then you'll know all too well about the inefficiencies that can come through selling through e-commerce and also selling through your traditional sales techniques. Ultimately, what you end up with is a lot of data duplication in the middle. You've got orders that are coming through online, you've got orders that are coming through from your normal selling methods, and somehow you have to join that all together to make sure that you don't sell a product that's out of stock, that you keep customers updated that have bought online, and you keep customers that have bought maybe offline or however you sell normally. Now, by using a tool that links your MRP software and your e-commerce platform together, you'll not only save a huge amount of time, but you'll improve the accuracy of your data and you'll make sure your customer service is up to scratch. So the MRP system that we provide, Advanced Business Cloud Essentials, actually can link with any e-commerce package out there using our link software. So regardless of the platform you use, we can link those two platforms together. And what that means is that when somebody orders online on your e-commerce store, it automatically sends the order into your MRP software. It also means that the data and information that sits in your MRP software can send information back the other way. So as that order is progressed and it moves to a delivery kind of status, it can actually update the e-commerce platform, and if you've got the alerts set up, it can even then update the customer too. Possibly more importantly, the information held in the MRP software is constantly updating the e-commerce platform. So for example, stock levels. If a product goes out of stock, it can instantly take it off your e-commerce platform until it comes back into stock, meaning you're never going to sell a product to a customer who ultimately is going to be disappointed. Or you can update pricing, you can update information, you can even update pictures through your MRP software that are then going to pull through into your e-commerce platform. So by tying these two things together, you can see how much time can be saved for one, but also how the information in there will be a lot more accurate on both sides, and therefore customers won't be disappointed. So if you're interested in finding out how we can help, we actually offer a free business process review. And as well as looking at your e-commerce, we can actually look at 3 things in total. So 3 different areas of your business, and we will process map out those areas of your business. We'll look at exactly what you're doing and also look at how it could be made better through using software, how much time could be saved, how much more efficiency could be in there, and ultimately as well, whether or not that can drive more profitability within your business. If you're interested in finding out how that could work, just sign up on our website and we'll be in touch to get the ball rolling.